In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder with a shortcut in Google Drive. Whether you're looking to organize your digital workspace more effectively, or simply want a quick and efficient way to manage your files, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to streamline your Google Drive experience by using convenient keyboard shortcuts to create new folders. So, let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can easily do this by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you've arrived at the Google Drive homepage, it's important to make sure that you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you can do so from this page. Enter your credentials and you'll be redirected to your Drive, ready to begin. Now that you're successfully logged into your Google Drive, let's move on to creating a folder using a shortcut. This is a handy tip that can save you time if you frequently find yourself creating folders. Instead of clicking through menus, we'll use a quick keyboard shortcut. Start by pressing and holding the Alt key on your keyboard. Keep it held down and then tap the C key once. This shortcut brings up a menu of options related to organizing your files. With the menu open, the next step is to press the F key. This key command will trigger the Create New Folder function. You'll notice this immediately opens a small window asking for the name of the new folder. Here you can type in whatever you'd like to call the folder. It's often a good idea to choose a descriptive name that will help you remember what's inside or that aligns with a theme or project you're working on. After you've typed in your desired folder name, press enter to confirm the creation of your new folder. And there you have it, your folder is now created and ready to use. This method is particularly useful not only for organizing files, but also for maintaining a tidy digital environment, which can improve productivity and make it easier to locate important documents later on. That's all there is to it. In just a few moments, we learned how to create a new folder in Google Drive by using a simple combination of keyboard shortcuts. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.